Hello everyone, this is Mike from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home to some of the most powerful and time-saving Excel tools available. For the past 16 years, we've been creating tools that help businesses, analysts, and professionals eliminate manual work, save time, and boost productivity. With over 7,500 satisfied customers and 130 plus 5-star Google reviews, we've helped thousands of users automate tasks that used to take hours. We constantly receive feedback from business owners who say our tools have transformed the way they work, reducing errors, speeding up research, and making complex tasks effortless. Today, I'm excited to introduce one of our most requested tools, the Google Maps Data Scraper tool. If you've ever needed to extract business information from Google Maps, this Excel-based tool does it quickly, easily, and automatically. So you never have to copy and paste business details manually again. Let's say you want to find electronic stores in New York, New York. Define your search radius, let's say 50 miles, and click search. Within seconds, you'll get a structured list of businesses, complete with details like business name, address, phone number, price level, and rating. Note that Google limits search results to 60 entries per search, but you can refine your searches by adjusting location, radius, or keywords to extract even more data. Whether you need business leads, competitor analysis, or market insights, this tool helps you gather data efficiently and accurately. Downloading and setting up the Google Maps Data Scraper tool is easy. Just click the link in the description to get started. If you have any questions, we're here to help. You can reach us by phone, email, or live chat on our website, and you'll always get a real person, not a bot. Vinny, the mastermind behind our Excel tools, is always happy to assist you personally. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more time-saving tools and Excel tips. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy extracting.